For the setup, take a large blanket fold down on the floor or mat, which is there to help cushion the knees. Take one bolster long ways on the floor. Stack a second bolster long ways on top of that, slightly forward to create a short staircase. Place a block under the front upper edge of that second bolster. You may have to play around with the height that suits you and makes sense. While on your shins and facing the bolster stack, separate the knees apart with the big toes towards one another. Seat yourself on the edge of the bottom bolster. Elongate the front of your spine over the bolster, allowing the front of your pelvis to rest on the bolsters where you created the staircase. Ideally, once you lie over the bolsters, it should feel like the body is being supported and held. However, because every body is different, you may need extra support for the front of the body. This is where the second blanket may come in handy. If you do feel like you need that extra support, carefully sit back up and place your blanket fold long ways on the top bolster. You can stack as many blankets, towel folds, or pillows you may need to feel supported. The final piece for this is that you may also want or need a blanket fold placed perpendicular at the top front edge of the bolster for your heart to rest upon. Once there, the entirety of the body should feel like it can relax. If this isn't the case for you, play around with the configuration of how many blankets and where they are placed. The arms can rest down towards the floor, or even propped up on pillows to each side of this main setup, particularly if you have used many blankets or pillows for the torso. Your head will be turned to one side. Depending on how long you stay in this pose, be sure to turn the head in the other direction for ideally an equal amount of time, creating balanced action in the neck. It is normal for one side of the neck to feel tighter than the other for each of us. Be here and breathe. Send your breath into the back body. Fill the area of the back ribs, the back lungs, and way down toward the lower part of your back where the kidneys reside. As with all of these restorative postures, be in the posture as long as feels right for you. When you are ready to come out, you will slide your hands directly under your shoulders for support. Turn your forehead down towards the bolster to neutralize the neck. Take a conscious inhale here, and on your exhale, keeping your collarbones broad, press your hands into the floor and rise up.